Light passes completely through this crystal, partly through this one, and not through this one at all. And this simple difference can give us another clue in identifying our mystery specimens. Hi, I'm Shaz. Welcome back to Crystal Detective, where I show you simple tests to help you identify your mystery specimens. I am apologizing in advance for the sounds that my newly adopted African Grey is currently making and is going to likely continue to make throughout this episode. We'll consider them special effects. Today we're looking at another easy and very quick property to assess, and that is how a mineral interacts with light. In the mineral world, this is called diaphaneity, but don't worry, you don't have to remember that to do this test. If light passes through and you can clearly see objects on the other side of the mineral, we call that transparent. If light passes through, but you can't clearly see through it, that is translucent. And if no visible light passes through, it's opaque. So this can help us narrow down our list quite quickly. If the mineral you're looking at is opaque, you can rule out all minerals that usually occur as transparent to translucent, and vice versa. But there is, as always with mineral identification, a catch. No one test can ever 100% identify your mystery specimen. That's why we do a combination of tests to help narrow down the list of suspects. With diaphaneity, or how light passes through a mineral, we are looking at several factors, and they all relate to variables that occur within mineral specimens. So, for example, the thickness of a specimen matters. A thick piece might appear completely opaque until you shine a strong torch against a thin edge and suddenly you discover that it actually does transmit light. Inclusions and impurities can also make a big difference. The specimen might appear opaque because it's packed with inclusions, even though the mineral itself can transmit light. Specimens of the same mineral can look very different. One crystal might be beautifully transparent, which often we call gemmy, while another is translucent or opaque because of inclusions, fractures, or other variations within the mineral. Some minerals can also display a range of diaphaneity, so it might go from clear all the way through to translucent or opaque in the same specimen. So when you observe this in your specimen, you can use a strong torch to check whether there is translucency in the more opaque specimens. Record what you find and put that down as another clue in identifying your mystery specimen.